If you are unable to extract text from your PDF because it is an image or a scanned document, such as this real estate purchase contract, I can't highlight any text here because it is very blurry and also very hard to see. You can try out this tool in Google Chrome called Google Lens. So it's all inbuilt, no software, no extension, and it's completely free. You just need your Chrome browser. If you have that, you're good to go. Otherwise, you just have to download your Google Chrome. So what you gotta do first is open your PDF in Chrome. So let's say we have a PDF here that I want to open up. I just click on it, right click, and go open with, and go to Google Chrome. So once you open it, it will open in your default Google Chrome web browser. There are two methods to use Google Lens in Google Chrome. So let's say we have a phone number or a long serial number that you do not want to type in manually, number by number. You can use an OCR tool, optical character recognition tool by Google. It's called Google Lens, and it's built inside Google Chrome browser. I have a phone number here, and I don't want to type it one by one. I just want to extract it. What you can do is, the first method is just to right click anywhere on your browser and then go to search with Google Lens. So click on search with Google Lens, it will scan all the entire image, and then you can select which part that you want to extract. Let's say I want to extract the phone number here. I just click and drag it and then release it, and then it will immediately put into Google search and try to use its Google Gemini AI to understand what you want with the image. So let's say here it says it understands that the image is a phone number, but the importantly is that I want to extract the text from the image. So I can just click on select text here, translate or copy as an image. So for now I want to select my text here and then just click copy. Once you click copy, you can copy paste anywhere you like. You can also size your screenshot or image to include more areas to select. Let's say I want to include some of the emails and location. I can just select text with it as well. Makes things so much easier. If I want to use more of Google Lens, I can just go up here and click on pin here. So yes, I pin Google Lens, so I can just click on it, and so it will immediately be able to scan and extract anything on my web page. So the second method is a bit hidden. Let's say I have a scanned real estate document here and I can't highlight it, and I want to extract some part of the text. Just go up to the Google link where you paste your link, just click on it once and you can see a Google Lens here. It is actually hidden. I didn't know that until recently, but basically you can just click Google Lens here, and it will prompt you to search anything from Google page, and just click OK. So yeah, right now I can select the image that I want to let's say translate. Let's say I just want to drag this part. I just drag it here, right here. So there are a few options I have here. One is to select text, translate, or copy as an image. So once you select the image that you want, it immediately puts into Google search for you. So it analyzes the image automatically, and it uses its Google Gemini AI to analyze and give you more information about the image. So it says this image presents a portion of a real estate offer to purchase document. So it analyzes and give you more information and explain more clearly. And then if you scroll down, you can see all the related images and links that you can find, and you can refer to all these links for your contract. So if I want to extract text, I can just use select text, and then I can either copy or translate. So I can just copy it, and then I can do whatever I want with it. So yeah, there you go. This is a simple way to use AI to improve the workflow. I've used it multiple times, including Microsoft Edge, and it really saves a lot of my time. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more ways to use AI in a practical manner, make sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.